Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Now we are facing coronavirus disease 2019. The virus initially only attacks the throat and lives in the throat for 4 days. At this time, the infected start to cough and sore throat, then just attack the lungs. If you can drink as much warm water as possible, salt water can eliminate viruses. Some basic protective measures against coronavirus disease 2019, that is COVID-19. Stay at home. Wash your hands frequently. Gargle salt water 3 times a day. After that, drink warm water. Maintain social distancing. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough. If you have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. But it is true that time and tide wait for none. So, you should study more and more when you stay at home. However, I am Manojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. My dear students, today I want to solve a math. So, let's go to solve a math. My dear students, at first we want to see a math from salaries and wages chapter. So, the math is, in Bengal factory there are 4 workers who receive wages at the normal rate of taka 20 per hour. That is, normal wages rate is taka 20. Next, each worker performs 7 hours per day in 7 days a week. That is, this factory runs in a week 7 days. So, total normal working hours in this factory are 7 into 7 hours, that is 49 hours. My dear student, noted that who will perform more than normal working hours, he or she will get overtime wages. Okay, dear students. Now, their actual working hours are Azaz 49 hours, Mahbub 60 hours, Shoaib 65 hours, and Sohel 50 hours. My dear student, noted that here only Azaz will not get any overtime wages because he did not perform more than normal working hours. But other workers will get overtime wages from this factory. Next, the overtime rate is 1.5 times of the normal wages rate. My dear student, normal wages rate is taka 20. So overtime rate will be taka 20 into 1.5, that is taka 30. Okay, dear student. Next, the workers also receive on regular pay 50% house rent subsidy. My dear student, on regular pay, that is on basic wages. Okay, dear student. Next, per day conveyance allowance taka 10 for each worker. Next, the workers contribute 10% group insurance and taka 10 gratuity fund in a week by each worker. My dear student, this is a problem. Now requirement is prepare wages register or wages sheet or wages schedule. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve this math. Dear students, at first workings. Normal working hours in a week 7 into 7, that is 49 hours. My dear students, in this math mention that a worker has to perform daily 7 hours and this factory runs 7 days in a week. So total normal working hours is 7 into 7, that is 49 hours. Next, weekly normal wages for each worker taka 20 into 49 hours, that is taka 980 taka. This is normal wages for one worker. Next, overtime wages rate. Normal wages rate into 1.5, that is taka 30. Now we want to calculate overtime working hours. Formula is actual working hours minus normal working hours. So at first for Azaz actual working hours 49 hours minus his normal working hours 49 hours. So overtime is 0 hours. Now Mahabu, actual working hours 60 minus normal wages hour 49. So overtime is 11 hours. Shoaib, actual 65 hours minus normal 49 hours. So overtime is 16 hours. And Shohel, actual working hours 50 minus normal working hours 49. So overtime is 1 hour. Now we want to calculate overtime wages. Formula is overtime rate into overtime hours. Okay, dear student. So at first Azaz, overtime rate 30, but his overtime is 0 hour, so 0 টাকা. Mahabub, overtime rate 30 into overtime working hours 11 hours, so his overtime wages is 330 টাকা. Same way, Shoaib, 30 into 16 hours equal to 480 টাকা. And Shohel, 30 into 1 equal to 30 টাকা. My dear student, this is workings for this math. Okay, now we want to prepare a schedule for wages. My dear students, if we want to prepare a schedule of wages, at first this type of wages register will be prepared as before. However, at first particulars of workers segment for 4 workers, 4 rows will be given. Then for total amount another 1 row will be given. Now serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and total. Then name of workers is as Mahabub, Shoaib and Shohel, and their designations worker, worker, worker and worker. Now in this earning segment, at first basic wages, everyone is 980 টাকা. Then overtime wages is as 0 টাকা, Mahabub 330 টাকা, Shoaib 480 টাকা and Shohel 30 টাকা. Next, their conveyance allowance 70 টাকা, 70 টাকা, 70 টাকা and 70 টাকা. Now their house rent 50% on basic wages, so 980 টাকা into 50%, that is 490 টাকা. Same way, Mahabub 490 টাকা, Shoaib 490 টাকা and Shohel 490 টাকা. So their total earnings are for Azaz 980 টাকা plus 0 টাকা plus 70 টাকা plus 490 টাকা, total 1540 টাকা. Same way, Mahabub 980 টাকা plus 330 টাকা plus 70 টাকা plus 490 টাকা, total is 1870 টাকা. Same way, Shoaib 2020 টাকা and Shohel 1570 টাকা. Okay, dear students, now in this deductions segment, at first group insurance fund 10% on basic wages, that is 980 টাকা into 10% equal to 98 টাকা. Same way, Mahabub 98 টাকা, Shoaib 98 টাকা and Shohel 98 টাকা. Now gratuity fund টাকা, 10 টাকা, 10 টাকা and 10 টাকা. So total deductions for Azaz 98 plus 110 টাকা equal to 108 টাকা. Same way, Mahbub 108 টাকা, Shoaib 108 টাকা, and Sohel 108 টাকা. Okay, dear student. Now, net wages. Formula is total earnings minus total deductions. So, at first for Azaz, total earnings 1540 টাকা minus total deductions 108 টাকা. So, net wages 1432 টাকা. Okay, dear student. Same way, Mahbub 1762 টাকা, Shoaib 1912 টাকা, and Sohel 1462 টাকা. Okay, dear students. Now, grand total amount. At first, total basic wages 980 টাকা plus 980 টাকা plus 980 টাকা plus 980 টাকা equal to 3920 টাকা. Okay, dear students, same way all elements will be added and finally we will get total net wages 6568 টাকা. My dear student, this is a wages sheet. Hope that all are clearly understood. If any problem, contact to me. No more now. Next.